What is up, guys? Jeff TD here. And I have to say one thing. If you ask me to do a shout out, I'll give you a shout out, but do not delete the comment. But you have to have a channel and have views and like a picture on it, and not have your username as player. One person I added him on Xbox, but he asked me to give him a shout out. He only has 1 subscriber. Can you get him to like around 40, 50? And if I get back to 53 subs, I'll do a burping challenge part 10. But right now I'm gonna do a burping challenge part 9.